Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of this Craftsman gas-powered pressure washer. Alright, so this is a Craftsman gas-powered pressure washer. Okay, so out of the box, you're looking at the main motor over there, the pressure washer. You also have your gun, your hose gun. You have your hose there. You have the cover. You have the instructions down here. You have the handle, motor oil, and all the other little things that are needed to assemble this. So let's get assembling this to see how good this baby works. You want to attach your handle to your unit. You should have gone in your little packet. There should be two little things that look like this, little nuts, and you have the bolts. The handle should be facing away from, not towards, but away. Next step is to install, I guess this would be your where you're going to be holding your little nozzles. It comes with this, and it comes with 4 of these little things in the packet. They're just going to go in through here on the pre-drilled holes. We're going to go ahead and insert it this way on the, if you're looking at it on the left side, with this knob that comes with it. The next step is this, I guess this is for your hose. You're going to attach it to the bottom of that little red contraption there, facing outside. It has like a little seat here. It's going to face outside. In the back here it has 2 holes. You just kind of like squeeze this in and insert it through the holes. Alright, so their next step here is to add the oil. So the next step here is to put these are going to be your different nozzles depending on how strong you want the pressure to come out. They have different degrees. This one's a 15, this one's a 40. I think this one's just a soap, and this is a 0. So we're just going to go ahead and install them here. Next step here is to attach the hose. This one, your water's going to come in through here. This one's for your hose itself. So we go ahead and insert and install. You want to attach the other end of your hose to your gun. Next step here is your wand. This wand has another cap here on this side. Remove that and install here. Twist. This gives you the option to the quick release or quick connect. You're going to connect your tips right here. So let's assume you want the 15 degree. All you do right here is just pull it back, insert, and pick this up. This is what releases the tip here, and when you pull it back and you insert and you pull it up, it locks in place. That's how that is. This trigger has a this gun has a safety feature right here. It will not go unless you press this one way or the other, so it can open up. So that's a good little safety feature. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of gas, connect the water hose to it, and see what this baby can do. It's a 15-degree, and then we're going to try it out. Alright, so my initial thoughts and first impressions of this gas-powered 2800 pressure washer is, it's powerful. If I can quote Tim Allen from that show, Home Improvement, right? It is loud. I mean, I did have an electric one before. It wasn't as loud, so just be aware that it will be a little bit louder. But I believe the trade-off with the more powerful pressure coming out of it, because it's a gas-powered motor, it's going to be worth it. All right, this has been the Smoking Beer. Do you have any questions or comments? Please leave them down below. But once again, this has been the unboxing and the first impressions of this Craftsman 2800 PSI pressure washer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to go ahead and finish this driveway off, or this little slab of concrete off, so it can look nice and clean. See you guys.